Hi, it's Christine here, Christine Crowell. Welcome to my channel. Now, how do you know that you have got someone on your team that is going to help take you to the next level? How do you focus on building your business, but at the same time supporting your team members that work for your organization to grow and develop? How do you know that that person is going to be able to cope with the next level? Maybe they brought your business to 300,000, for example, a year. How many of those team members can bring you to a multiple seven-figure business? And I'm going to share with you in this video of how to possibly spot those ones that can take you to the next level. I call this the test. Okay, so the first thing that I would do is I would give them some tasks to do. I wouldn't tell them what it is in terms of what tasks they need to do. I would tell them what the outcomes are, what I'm looking for in the organization, and then I put the ball in their court. This is where they actually have to use their own initiative, because you want team members to be able to use their own initiative and to be able to take you to multiple seven figures in your business. Now, they may turn around to you and say, how do I do that? Can you tell me what to do? I'm waiting for the instructions for you to tell me. Now, if they are $1 million team member, then they will have a good idea of how they can make you $1 million, or how everyone can grow together to make the company a multiple seven-figure business. And that is by teamwork, by everyone doing what they're meant to do without being micromanaged, just getting on with things with their own autonomy and the strength and the determination to make it work. So, for example, if I say to a team member, can you create a viral video for me? And this is what I'm looking for. I've got a particular product that I want to sell, and I want this to become viral, for example. I don't actually tell that person how to do it. I wait and I let them find out how best to do it, because you want your team members to be resourceful. You don't want them to keep coming back to you every minute. Is this okay? Did I do this okay? Can you check this for me? Because you're trying to do your own job in itself. Okay? So I would expect them to look and find for themselves, because I've got plenty of videos, for example, in my YouTube. Lots of videos. So I would expect that person to build something that's going to be amazing and to use the correct keywords that's going to help this video become viral. I would expect them to do some research, not just grab any video that is not relevant to the outcome or the product or services that I am selling and offering. So this is an example of how you know that you've got winners on your team. Another example would be that there's a particular job that needs to be done for a client, for example. So you would allocate that to a particular staff member who you feel, or contractor that you feel that will be able to do that job effectively without coming to you for every single instruction. you don't have time to do this if you are building a multiple seven-figure business. If you're building a business that's just started, then that's totally different. Then yes, you can take on new people, you can train them, etc. But at the end of the day, you want someone to be strong from the very beginning and know how to build your business with you, because it's good for them, it's good for their development as well. Now, I'll give you another example. If I was to say to a staff member, right, can you please create a article or a blog, for example, I would expect them to know what it is, because they know the company, they know the products, they know what we are serving, who we're serving, and what products that we're offering for a particular time and space in a particular month. So I would then expect them to create something around that particular product of what we are offering for that period and that space and time. So I would expect them to look at any previous information as well that relates to that particular product. However, if we do have a new product that's coming on the market, which we always do have new products coming on the market, then they have to understand that this is a new product and what does it offer. They've got to look and do some research, get some information, because if you've got to constantly keep going to your staff members or contractors or even marketers, for example, telling them what it is that you're wanting, then how are they going to help you build a multiple seven-figure business? Because when someone or a staff member, for example, contractor, has got you to a particular level, then they've got to increase their level as well. They've got to develop themselves into that new role, into the next level in your business. Otherwise, if they're going to keep using the same old information that got you to a certain level, that's not going to get you past that level of where you want to go and where you want to grow up to. And neither will that staff member, the contractor, for example. They're not going to grow, they're not going to develop. Everybody has to keep growing and moving. We're like water. Well, we are water. Majority of our body is water. It's like when you see the sea, you look at the sea and the waves are coming in and they're coming in and they just keep coming forward. Yeah, there's always new waves coming in and the old ones die, and new comes in and the old ones die. And this is how you build your team to think on that level, that they have to keep thinking of new ideas, new initiatives, new current trends to build you to your multiple seven-figure business. We cannot be working on the old trends. We've got to look at what the new trends are. And for me, it's important that my team are aware of where the goals are for the company. Like, I had a 10-year vision. That 10-year vision is now come up May 2024 as a coach. So I've got my new vision, beyond my vision, which is another 10-year vision, which is not the same as what I was doing 10 years previously. So I'm now on a new goal, which is to leave a legacy of, obviously, which is what I mentioned, to build generational wealth, to do retreats, to do more coaching packages, i.e. training coaches to be coaches, to do more group coaching packages, to have my boot camps where we have 50 people at our boot camps monthly. You see, I've developed from having 10, 20, 30, for example. The target is now 50 to 100 people a month attend our monthly boot camps. And then we've got our group coaching. And then we've got our other products that we're offering as well. But we also are looking for coaches, because the more coaches that we have, the more worldwide we are. We are worldwide anyway, but the more international that we are. Just like we are also got an exciting new product which I can't wait to share with you as well, which will benefit our clients as well. So if you want your team members to take you to multiple 7 figures in your healthcare business or any kind of business, because this is relevant to all business types, then the individuals, your team, have to be able to develop and grow with the company. When you grow as a company, then your team must grow with you. We cannot stay stagnant. We cannot hold everything to ourselves. We got to work together as a team to grow, because the stronger that we are as a team, the higher we will go. It's like when we're doing a team activity, it's not just one person doing one thing. Everyone's doing things in order to achieve the goal. You know, you've seen it, haven't you, where people are pulling on a piece of rope and it's like tug of war kind of thing. And they're working as a team, aren't they? People in a rowing boat, they're rowing together to get to the goal. It's not one person doing something. And that's what I mentioned in my previous video, is that we have to, as a team, as a business, grow, but we grow with the right team members, because not everyone is going to want to be a part of a team. But in order to grow a multiple 7-figure business to a new level, everyone in the team has to do their share, and they have to do it autonomously. We shouldn't have to micromanage our team members, because if we do, then something is wrong. So I just wanted to share this video with you today to talk to you about, if you are building a multiple 7-figure business, then your team members have to be of that level. They have to be a multiple 7-figure business team member to grow with you and the organization. They have to want to develop themselves in order to grow to that next level, not be the same. So if you've liked this video, please like and share. Hit the notification button here. Do book a free 15-minute consultation with me or my team, so that we can talk to you more about how you can build a multiple 7-figure business within your healthcare business or any type of business. That's a new thing that we're doing as well. We don't just do healthcare. We do specialize in healthcare, but we also do other businesses as well. So I just wanted to reach out to you and just share this quick video with you, because for me, it's important that my team grow with me and they grow with the business and the new level that we're at, because what I was doing 10 years ago is not the same as where I am today. So I need a high level team that is going to grow with the company so that we can get there faster, not 10 years, but faster. And I want my team to grow with me, because we can all rise together. I want my clients to grow as well. But also, this is why I'm talking about leadership. I'm talking about building your CEO muscles, because we can't just think that we can just run a business and not be true leaders, because we have to help our team, our people in our team, to be their own leaders. Because if they're not their own leaders, then that's going to cause you, your company, to become stagnant and there'll be no growth. So we have to ensure that our team members are taking on that responsibility as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope that you found this helpful today. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Do like and subscribe and join our Facebook group as well. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.